YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Mesi and I'm here with my first beauty video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this cute, inexpensive look with this headband wig that I got from BeautyForever hair. If you want to see how I got the look, then please keep on watching. So here I'm just showing you the box that I got it from, BeautyForever hair. It's a headband wig. This is the packaging. This is the color of the wig. It kind of mimics my natural hair because I just bleached my natural hair, so I thought it would match perfectly. It came with two headbands, the black and white one with the flowers. It also came with this pouch with a wig cap, another headband, which is really cute. And this is the hair out of the net. Really cute. I love the copper color that it's giving. It's nice and soft. It's a body wave texture. And it has 4 combs all together. 1 big comb in the front, 2 on the sides, and then 1 in the back with adjustable straps, and also the Velcro strap for the headband wig. So you can be nice, tight, and secure. Look at that color. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I love it. Shake, shake. Yes. Now right here, I'm just explaining it doesn't matter if you do clean hair or dirty hair as long as your edges are nice and clean. But for me personally, I'm going to wash my hair and then twist it up. So right here, I'm showing my twist. I'm moisturizing everything. It does look a little bit dry, but I did moisturize and oil it and put it in these mini twists. And then I just gathered it back in a bun. 2 buns. Then I'm just putting my wig cap on. I've already done my edges a little bit. So you just want to slide it back enough so the comb can catch. You don't want your wig sliding and slipping all over the place. So I just put it back just enough so the comb can catch right there. Because there's 4 combs overall. 1 big one in the front, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. And then, yeah, don't worry about that lump right there. The hair will cover it. It'll still look nice and flat. Oh, this is the wig again. I'm just going to put it on front first and then pull it on back. Yes. I look a mess right now, but it'll all come together. I like to have mine nice and tight, but after wearing it for a few days, I was like, dang, this kind of giving me a headache. I should have had a flatter foundation. So try to get your foundation for your wigs as flat as possible. I usually do braids myself, cornrows to the back, but this time around I was feeling a little lazy and did not want to do that, but it still laid kind of flat. It was just kind of tight. So as you can see, this band is at least 2 inches of width for the headband, but you can easily flip it and kind of fold it back to your liking, and also add the headbands that were included also, or your own headband. So what I like to do is pull my hair back in a ponytail or a bun, just so the hair itself doesn't snag on the Velcro when I'm tightening the band. So it's in a bun. I'm taking pieces from both sides, flipping it back a little bit so my edges can show. Make sure it looks really natural. This is what I use for my edges. Edge booster from Style Factory, the green kind. It really doesn't matter, green, peach, or whatever color. The colors are just for the smell, but they all do the same thing. That's the only thing that really lays my edges down like all day. Sometimes it does leave a little bit of a white cast if you overuse it like a few days in a row, but I like the hold. That's what I really care about. As you can see, that's the back. And this is me just letting my hair back down. You can easily put this hair in a high bun, a ponytail, half up, half down. These are the crimps I'm going to use though, because I want a nice water wave look. These crimpers or barrel curlers were really cheap, like $17 from the BX. They don't really get that hot, and I want a bigger barrel. So what I found out is that I have to use Pump It Up Spritz spray as well to really get the hold that I want, because I just tried to use it on regular hair with no product in it, and it did not hold a curl. So spraying the hair with Spritz Super Hold spray beforehand and then crimping after will really get the hold that you want when you're using barrel curlers. But you don't want to use too much spritz, because then it'll look, yeah. But this is me with the half up, half down. Look at her. Cute. Yes. She's young. She's feisty. Yeah, sassy. Cute. I really like the half up, half down look. I think it looks really cute and natural. No shedding with this hair either. You see my fingers are just running right through the hair. It's really good quality. So this is me taking it down. And I'm going to put it in a ponytail. Here I am again, just using my fingers, no brush. You can use a brush to really get that. Now, I wish I really would have put cornrows, because it would have gave it a really flat look. But, I mean, I think it still looks really natural. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. It's so cute. I love the color too. A nice sandy brown color. But for me today, I'm just going to wear it down. So this is me combing through the piece. And I'm going to spray. No, that was probably too much. You probably only want to do like 3 sprays, to be honest. Comb it through. It's going to get a little sticky. Make sure it's really not even that hot. I literally touched it with my finger and nothing. So get at the root. Hold it for a few seconds. And then you want to move it down. As you can see, it did a little something, but it's not to my liking. I really wish I got a bigger barrel curler. I'm going to have to invest in one just to really get the look that I want, that 90s wave crimp look. I'm really not impressed with the first one, so let's see how the second one turns out. I'm doing the same thing on this side, combing through the hair. I'm going to spray it with some spritz. That's way too much. But it'll work out. Over the rest of the hair, I use less spritz. Maybe like 1 to 2 pumps. Combed it through and it was fine. Too much spritz will give it that wet look that you don't want. You still want to look nice and fluffy, but still keep that hold that you're looking for with the barrel curls. So same thing here, just hold it on each piece for a little bit, a couple seconds, and just take it all the way down from the root down the shaft to the end of the hair. As you can see, there's like a wet look. Looks a little crunchy. Thank God it's in the back, so you won't even be able to tell. It doesn't look that bad. Still not impressed. This one turned out a little bit better, but I also used less spritz. I did not go as hard with the spritz. This one is turning out just how I like it. I still do wish that I had bigger barrel. So I am going to get a bigger barrel curler. I might have to order one online because they don't sell it in the local store. But this is more so the look that I was going for. This is really cute to me. Perfect. That's exactly how I wanted it to look. Now I'm just going to continue to do this all over my head. I really don't use as much spritz, maybe just 1 or 2 sprays on each section that I'm working on. Look at that big part. Yeah, these are the curls that you want when you're using your crimp or water wave barrel curler, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, you can see I'm excited. It's turning exactly how I want it. I didn't use either of the headbands that they put in the packaging. This is just the finished look. Now, if you like something simple, something easy, something affordable, then shop with BeautyForever hair. This was so easy. I love headband wigs because I'm always on the go. I'm a mom of 2 and I still like looking cute. Another thing about these headband wigs, it's a great protective style. You can just moisturize or oil your scalp underneath and you can be good all day. It's also very versatile, so you can wear it half up, half down, low bun, side bun, ponytail, 2 ponytails, whatever you need. You can do whatever, and it's still going to look natural because your outer perimeter is showing or not showing. You don't have to do baby hairs like I do because there is enough band space, at least 2 inches, to cover all of that up and just keep everything protected if you choose to. It's really up to you. But if you enjoyed this video, then please like, share, subscribe for more content. I did want to be clear that this video is not sponsored. I purchased this wig with my own money, so these are my true thoughts and feelings. I really believe in BeautyForever hair, and I have 3 wigs from them now, so I will be purchasing again. Really, if you like this content, then please like, share, and subscribe. Even hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload from me. But I really appreciate you for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, I'll see you guys all next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.